What's up guys, this is TF Test Channel. Today unboxing the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 with NFC version. Box looking same Mi Band 3. Look backside, some specs here always Chinese language. Okay guys, don't waste your time, let's open the box. First, insert the box front. Mi Band 3 head here. It's looking same Band 3. Really cool guys. Later look the band. Okay, put side. More in the box. Replacement wristband. It nice because. Do you want to change any color wristband? I like it. More booklets. It's Chinese language. How to use and connect your phone. All information here. Last charging cable here. USB to charger on Band 3. Remove to charge your band. How to charge your Mi Band 3? See guys, it's easy, but every 20 days later remove and charge, it's not bad. Okay guys, let's Mi Band 3. It's low weight. Easy to handling. Okay, let's look side by side. Display. 0.78-inch OLED touchscreen with high-definition picture display. Backside. NFC function and heart rate monitor sensor here. Band 3 bottom side. Charger pin here. The Xiaomi Mi Band 3 NFC version is basically the same as the Xiaomi Mi Band 3, such as the 0.78-inch 128x80 resolution OLED screen, which can quickly browse the message content of WeChat, SMS, and incoming calls. In addition, it can display information such as time, steps, heart rate, weather, and heat. According to the data of Xiaomi company, Xiaomi Mi Band 3 NFC version can last up to 15 days under normal use. In addition to the above basic functions, Xiaomi Mi Band 3 NFC version also supports 5 ATM grade waterproof, which can be worn in swimming, surfing and other scenes. At the same time, the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 NFC version also supports the sports secondary screen. In the sports mode of Xiaomi Sports app, open any of the 4 types of outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor riding and walking. You can exercise. During the process, the wrist is displayed to display the movement data without having to pull out the phone. And the user can set the heart rate setting value. After the heart rate exceeds this number, the Mi Band will vibrate and alarm.